Hello and welcome. In this tutorial video, I'd like to explain basic information about HTML. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. Now, what is hypertext? Hypertext means a text that contains links to other files or text that viewers can access immediately. And what is the meaning of markup? Markup language specifies code for formatting both the layout and style within a text file. The code used to specify formatting are called tags. HTML is an example of widely known and used markup language. Who is the inventor of HTML? In the year of 1989, Sir Tim Berners-Lee invents the web with HTML. Let's check the requirements for creating a web page. You need an editor. It can be Notepad or Notepad++ for Windows platform, and a web browser. How does HTML work? HTML documents are files that end with a .html or .htm extension. You can view them using a web browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, etc. The browser reads the HTML file and renders its content so that internet users can view it. HTML can be treated as the skeleton of a web page. So let's check the structure of an HTML document. Here you can see a sample HTML code. With the help of angular bracket, we can write the tags. Here HTML tag indicates that this web page is written in HTML. The head tag contains the information about the page. Inside the head tag you can see there is a title tag which contains the title of the web page. After closing head tag, you need to open body tag. Body tag contains the content of the web page. Whatever content you have to display through your web page, you have to write within the body tag. And finally, you have to close the HTML tag. Closing HTML tag marks the end of the web page. Now the most important part is how to save an HTML document. After writing HTML code in Notepad, you have to click on File, Save As. A window will appear where you have to give the file name. Within the quotes, file name with the extension .html or .htm. So the file name and the extension is very much important. Here I am creating a notepad file with the name HTML. Inside the file, I am writing a simple HTML code to display a message through a browser. Now we have to follow the process of saving the file. So file, save as. Inside the file name area, we have to specify the file name with the extension of HTML. So I'm writing mypage.html within quotes. After clicking on save, you can see a web page is created with the name mypage. If you open the web page, you can see content of the page is present over here. To modify the content of the page, right click on the My Page file, click on Open With, choose Notepad, and you can see the HTML code is present inside the My Page file. I have opened both the applications side by side, and if I modify anything in the coding interface, after refreshing on the browser page, the modification will be reflected. Thank you for watching the video.